it's Catherine here, and we are doing a unboxing of the Disney Princess Mashems. And if you guys saw my TikTok, we opened up 3 and we got Pocahontas, Jasmine, and the mystery one, which was a golden tangled. And then we automatically already have Belle as she came in the case I got. So all we are missing is Ariel and Cinderella, and I have a ton of these. So I'm going to open them all because my daughter loves to play with them anyways. So let's get into it. I'm going to do a time lapse of me opening all of these real quick, and then I will pop them open, just so a little ASMR for y'all. Alright, so I've opened all of them up, like unwrapped them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I already have 3 out of 6 plus Belle, so technically I have 4 out of 6. So I'm only missing 2, which is Ariel and Cinderella. I have another Belle. And another Belle. I have Cinderella, so all I'm missing left is Ariel, and I will have a complete collection. I might even have some duplicates collections. We have another Cinderella. I got Ariel. Alright, so I have the whole collection now. So, I have 6, so I could potentially, sorry about that, I could potentially have another whole set. I have another Mulan. Another Ariel. Ariel fell. Another Belle. Another Mulan. Did I say Pocahontas? It's Mulan. It's Mulan. And another Belle. Alright, this is my last one. And another Jasmine. Alright, so, and let me see if I can get her out. I'm gonna get her out, but we know we have another Belle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 Belles all together, plus the one in the box, so 4 Belles. We have 2 Jasmines. We have, or no, we have 5 Belles. We have 3 Mulans, 2 Ariels, 2 Cinderellas, and 1 golden Rapunzel. So I have 1 full set. So let's put that together. So I have 1 full set. I have 1 almost full set. And then I have 4 duplicates. So, my can't make a set, my set. Thank you for watching, and my link to my TikTok will be down below where I opened up 3 of them, and I will see you guys in our next video.